Alright guys, so today I'm going to install these JBR solid shifter bushings. So from my understanding, this should be relatively easy. Let's pull this off. How I do it is I just reach right in here and unclip and then pull out the other side with this up. Or you could reach down in here, whatever, pull this out, unscrew this, take it off, unplug that, get it out of the way so we could have some room. So I'm going to do that real quick and then I'll get back to the video. Alright, so this is a custom shift boot, so I'm not going to unscrew my adapter threads that's in here for my shift knob, just because I'm lazy. And I don't want to cut the hole bigger because then it won't seat as well. So, yeah, I'm lazy. You're going to undo one right there, two right there, three is underneath that cable, and then four is right there. So you're going to undo that, those four with a 10 millimeter, probably with a long extension. So let's do that real quick. So the screws are out. Also, second, all this dirty shit is from the last owner. I realized all that when I pulled this off the first time to do the shift boot and all that. So I will be having to clean all of this from the last owner who just did not care, I guess. Alright, so the screws are out. So again, like I said, I'm lazy, so I'm using a pocket knife and just pry that bushing out. Just like that, that metal one's out. Now you gotta take that rubber one out, do the same thing. Okay, so all the rubber bushings are out now. Do you guys, do yourself a favor, and when you pull the metal piece out, so let me show you how this works now. And one metal piece just got thrown down in the bottom of my crevice, so that's cool. So this metal piece slides into the bushing like that, okay? So after you pull this metal piece out, the easiest way I found to get these bushings out, and they're pretty fucking stubborn, is get underneath the edge like that, pick it up. So you want to pick up one of the edges and then just press it through, straight through. And then it'll pop right out the bottom. And way easier than the method I was trying before. Don't even try other methods. Just get yourself a pair of needle nose and push them right through. So now, how these work are the thick boys right here are going to go underneath with the small ones on top. So let me get these out and see how they look. Okay, so these are them. And from what I can tell, there's no height difference like there is with the Cork Sport ones. So, put these underneath, and then I'm going to put the flat washers on top, and then bolt it in, and go on a test drive. Alright, it feels solid now. Feels significantly more solid. Alright, should be good. Feels a lot more solid. So this should help with any like lockouts or anything that you get if you're trying to race and go into third. I know that's a problem with these. So yeah, all good. That's a very simple, very easy install. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more Mazda related stuff, specifically a MAZDASPEED3, mine, I'm going to be doing a lot more. I'm going to be replacing the steering wheel sooner or later. Same with this e-brake handle. They both get sticky when it's humid out. And I have a bucket seat here that I installed. So yeah, follow along the channel for more content on MAZDASPEED3s.